Is the knowledge base that you're using today outdated, inaccurate, overcrowded? Well, then it's time for an update. You're probably wondering though, which knowledge base is right for my organization? Well, today we're going to talk about 3 important considerations whenever you're replacing your knowledge base. Number 1, is it easy for employees to make updates? Employees should be able to recommend changes to the processes. We're not just talking thumbs up, thumbs down. We're talking about specific and helpful changes, and then have those reviewed, instantly approved, and shared with everyone. Number 2, does it have a reporting feature? You want to gather all the usage data that you can, so you can make sure that employees are using the processes correctly, staying up to date with the latest changes, and you want a very detailed view of the process consumption. I mean, turn-by-turn navigation through the decisions that they're making. You can use this to coach individuals who are struggling with adherence, or to unlock new opportunities for efficiency because you can see where they're slowing down in the process. Number 3, is it visual? Humans process images 60,000 times faster than text. It's so much easier to learn, consume, and retain visual information rather than lengthy text-based articles. And employees don't have to imagine what the process looks like because you will be giving them visual guides that take them through each step, exception, and unique scenario. Interested in finding a knowledge base with all these capabilities? Well, look no further because Procedureflow is a next generation knowledge base that has everything your employees need to be experts faster. Go to procedureflow.com and request a demo so you can see it in action today.